What's going on, guys? This is trade recap for the 22nd of the 6th, 2026. So, coming on the day, we had a win of $600 on the new 25k funded account. This is about the execution of that real quick. This is the setup. And plays out. So, coming into the day, I had a bullish bias to this high right here. Because personally, I think we're going to go back up to all-time highs at least one more time. So that's what I wanted to see get hit. And then straight away at 9:30, we had this 1 hour gap right here. And then yeah, we just after we made this external SMT, I think there was a SMT somewhere. I think it was this. We made this and then we just started an uptrend straight away. So obviously just a clear uptrend respecting bullish PD raise, and then we had this 1 hour right here. So market opens, and then we immediately manipulate higher. Well, not really manipulate, we just go higher. We tap into that hourly. I didn't take anything off of this, I wasn't confident. So I know that at this time right here we had a entry, but I hesitated on. I had my internal SMT right there, I'm pretty sure. It was right here. And then the IFEG was right here. And we had rejection out of the 15-minute gap right here, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's this more discounted one. So straight away we got manipulate lower into this gap, created an internal SMT on the 9:30 low, and then reverse straight away. I was going to take this, but I did hesitate. And then also on ES, we were holding that SMT and then hitting OTE of the range. Like this, tapping OTE of the range. Right there. So that was definitely a good setup. But I could see us going up higher and not going any lower, even though we did have London lows and true day open and stuff like that. So then we come down. My drawn liquidity is still just these highs here, just this main high up here, and then we come back down to this 15-minute gap right here, and then what I see is we create a SMT. I finally got the 30-second time frame, but we create a 30-second SMT right here. We put that in right here, and then we get a very small 30-second inversion, and then we entered here, fixed 25-point stop loss. I'm pretty sure my slippage was really bad though, so I actually ended up getting entered up here somehow. I think it was because I was on MNQ, because I entered on micros, and I just targeted a 2R roughly 50 points. I think it was like 54 points for 6 micros. That was a setup. I went break even at a systematic 1-to-1, which was like this. So no, I didn't get stopped out, but I know I was pretty close to. It might have been this. I think I went into like 9 points of drawdown. I had 9 points of drawdown left. Something like this, roughly around here. I didn't get stopped out though. And then we started seeing some, a good push. I was break even there. Saw that we were just holding this 30-second fair value gap, and then pumped higher. And yeah, that was definitely the more distributing move, I feel like. You could have also possibly seen shorts out of this 1 hour gap, but I definitely thought the draw was higher, especially being that close to it as well. It is a pretty big wick, I'm pretty sure, on the 4 hour. I'm pretty sure there's lots of orders resting there. So yeah. So that was my winning setup. And yeah, we're only 3 more days off of a payout. I just need to get another minimum $100 days. And then hopefully, I think I might go for the max payout. I'm also Australian, so I think if I get a 1K payout, then I'll get 1.2K roughly. So I can maybe go for just like an $800 payout, and then that'll be 1K. But just see what happens across the next 3 trading days. And then yeah, pretty happy with how I executed. And especially for a No News Monday, it was pretty good price action, I won't lie. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a good trading week.